Quick reading for January the 3rd to January the 4th, Gemini. Medyo matitrigger tayo dito, no? Who's who? Sino ba ang unang magfa-first move? Ako ba? Siya ba? Sino unang aamin? Ako ba? Siya ba? Totoo ba itong ipinapakita sa akin, no? Genuine ba ito or more of parang papasakayin ba ako nito? With the Two of Pentacles, the Eight of Wands, the Queen of Cups. One thing's for sure, medyo gusto natin yung nangyayari. Doubtful lang tayo kung anong motive, no? So we are actually gauging or probably juggling, no? If the communication is something na medyo pinapakilig ka lang, kasi winner sila, no? Napakilig mo ko. With the Queen of Cups, also, parang sinasabi mo dito, is this going to be, yung longevity ba nito ipinapakita niya is pangmatagalan? Dahil with the Queen of Cups, medyo gusto ko na siya, nagugustuhan ko na siya, lumalalim na, no, ang aking emotion sa kanya. So I feel like siguro din mabilis itong takbo ng inyong relationship kahit kayo ay nag-uusap ng LDR, no? So this is your quick reading for January the 3rd to January the 4th, Gemini.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yeah.